In this video, we will introduce splitter commands from the BPBase library, which can enhance the capabilities of your tests. These splitter commands allow you to divide a test scenario into multiple sub-scenarios, each of which can be run independently. By using these splitter commands, you can create more flexible and comprehensive tests that are better able to simulate real-world scenarios and test the robustness of a system. The choose function selects one of the values passed to it as arguments and returns that value. It can be called with a list of values as individual arguments or with an array of values. When the value is chosen, a choice event is triggered with the chosen value as its argument. The choose function makes its selection randomly, with each of the past values having an equal chance of being chosen. For example, calling choose 1, 2, 3 might return 1, 2, or 3, with each possibility having an equal chance of occurring. If 2 is chosen, the choice event would be triggered as choice event 2. The choose function can be used in advanced testing to introduce a random element to the test. This can be useful for testing the robustness of a system or for simulating real-world scenarios that have inherent randomness. Some examples of how the choose function might be used in advanced tests include randomly selecting different quantities of items to order when testing a system that processes orders for store, randomly selecting different payment methods in order to test the system's ability to handle different types of payment, and randomly selecting different shipping addresses in order to test the system's ability to handle orders being shipped to different locations. The maybe function returns true or false randomly with an equal probability for each possibility. When the maybe function is called, it splits the scenario into two sub-scenarios, one for each possible return value. It can also be called with a single argument, v, in which case it returns either v or false, again splitting the scenario into two sub-scenarios. The maybe function allows you to add a random element to a scenario, adding an element of uncertainty that can be useful for testing the robustness of a system or for simulating real-world scenarios. This is the last function we will be reviewing. See more functions and tools in the documentation of the BPBase library. The request at any order function is used to request a series of events in any order. When the request at any order function is called, it splits the scenario into multiple sub-scenarios, one for each possible order in which the events can be requested. The function can be called with a list of events as individual arguments or with an array of events. Other B threads might be blocking the events passed to the request at any order function, which may affect the actual choice of events that the system has. The request at any order function is useful for testing scenarios where the order of events is not predetermined and for simulating real-world scenarios where the order of events may vary. Thank you to everyone for joining us today. We hope that this overview of the various domain-specific languages, DSLs, and libraries available in the Provengo test automation tool has been helpful and informative. We invite you to take some time to explore the options and capabilities provided by these resources, and to consider how they can help you to create more efficient and effective automated tests for your systems and applications. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are always happy to help. Thank you again for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.